Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're on day 8 of our 12 days of keto, and what we're making today is a new treat that I came out with. It's called creamy peanut butter ice cream treat. I have that ice cream treat because it's such a rich, decadent treat, so I have to put treat at the end of that. And I'm really almost sure if you're a peanut butter lover, you're gonna think this is an amazing ice cream. So let's get started. So what you'll need is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1.5 cup of peanut butter. I like using the natural peanut butter, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of almond milk or nut milk of choice, 2/3 cup of erythritol, a few drops of liquid stevia, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're doing this recipe because today is day 8 and it's maids of milking. So we gotta have some milk involved in here, all right guys? So here's what I have in the bowl. I have the peanut butter, I have the erythritol in it, the vanilla, basically all the liquid ingredients with the sweetener. We're gonna give this a really good whip, and then we're gonna add the liquids and then whip it again and then put it in the ice cream maker. So let me do this right now. So we add half of our milks in the peanut butter mixture, and we're going to whip that up and add the rest, and then I'll show you what to do. I'm going to get the sides straight down and then blend it again until creamy. So I grabbed our ice cream maker, and what we're going to do is pour about half of this base, because this makes a lot of peanut butter ice cream, which is amazing. And I happen to have a medium-sized ice cream maker. I need to get a bigger one, but so I'm going to pour half in there. But if you have a bigger ice cream maker, of course, pour the whole thing in. So we're going to pour half the base in to the ice cream maker. We're going to turn it on. That's about half. We're gonna let this get nice and creamy and just get delicious, and we'll be right back. It's really loud, so I can't really talk. So we'll be right back once it's done, guys, all right? Okay, so our ice cream is done. Our peanut butter ice cream treat, and look how thick this is. I love it. It's so rich and creamy. So let me take this off. Then this is one thing that's really cool. I got these on Amazon, and they have all different types, but this is an ice cream container to keep everything nice and cold. And one trick that I like to do is get a piece of plastic wrap for any ice cream that you eat. Once you open it, push the plastic wrap directly on the ice cream and then put your lid on. It'll prevent all the crystallization, okay, and all the frostbite, okay? So that's just a little tip. So look at this. Let's see how it comes out. Woo! Whoa! That's so excited, I almost dropped it. Look at that ice cream. It's so rich, guys, and that peanut butter is delicious, and it's perfect for fat macros because we got our heavy whipping cream in here, guys. We have the peanut butter that's delicious, and it's something that you don't need a lot of. It's a really decadent treat, okay? So I'm going to scoop all this out and put it in there and let you know how it tastes. Okay, so I'm back. So here we go. Look at this. This is half the recipe, guys, and it filled this whole tub up. Look at that. Delicious. Let's just get a nice scoop in here. That's all I need is, well, let's just make it 2 scoops, you know. Let's see what it tastes like. I'm really excited. Look at that, creamy. Oh man. I like to use, let me just point out, natural peanut butter. The natural peanut butter is so full of peanutty, so it's like you're eating a bowl of creamy, peanut buttery deliciousness, and that is a word. It's so good, guys. So definitely give this one a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, because we want to build our family here together at Faithful Keto Kitchen, and we want to spread the word about the ketogenic diet, low carb diet, and just eating healthy all together, guys. And also hit the bell so that you don't miss any notifications when I upload a new video. So guys, I love you, God bless you, and have an amazing week. And remember, this is day 8, and it's 8 maids of milking. So God bless you and have a Merry Christmas.